Hi, in this video we are going to look how one beginner can start their yoga journey. These asanas can help you to start your yoga journey. So let's start with it. First asana for a beginner is child pose. To start the child pose, you have to sit in Vajrasana. Keep your legs underneath your hip. Now inhale and raise your hands up. Exhale, very slowly bend forward. While bending forward, try to push your hands forward without lifting your hip. Try to keep your hip down. Focus on pushing your head towards the floor. Keep breathing. While pushing your head forward, make sure your hip is not lifting up. So keep it down and stay in this position for longer duration. Try to hold this for at least 30 seconds and you can increase it till 1 minute. Slowly release it. Child pose is very good to lengthen your spine and it will improve the flexibility of your back. The next asana for beginner is half cobra, Ardha Bhujangasana. To perform the Ardha Bhujangasana, you have to lie down on your stomach. Keep your legs totally joined, hands around your chest. Keep elbows inside. Inhale and lift your upper body halfway only. Keep your elbows slightly bent. Try to look straight. Keep breathing. Hold this posture for at least 20 seconds. Feel that contraction on your back and stretch on your stomach. Then very slowly release this down. You can perform this asana for 3 to 4 times. Next asana is Ardha Kapotasana, which is called as half pigeon pose also. To perform this, firstly, keep your legs straight, sit on floor, back straight. Now fold your right leg behind and fold your left leg in front of you. Try to keep your right leg spreaded. Now you have to walk with your hands, go forward and push your head towards the floor. This will create pressure on your left hip. Feel that pressure. Hold it for at least 15 seconds and then release it. We have to perform this half pigeon pose with other leg. So for that, spread your left leg behind. Fold your right leg in front of you. Again walk with your hands in the line of your right knee and try to push your head towards the floor. Try to hold this pose again for 15 seconds. Feel that pressure on your hip. While releasing it, walk with your hands behind and come back in normal pose. Next asana is Kamar Chakrasana. For that, lie down in Shavasana, fold your both legs, keep your legs totally joined, hands under your head. Now take a deep inhale, exhale and drop your legs on right side, turn your head on left side. Without lifting your elbows, push your upper knee on the other leg. Hold this pose for at least 15 seconds. Then very slowly release it. Repeat this other side. Exhale and drop your legs on right side. Turn your head on left side. Release it slowly and repeat this 4 to 5 times with each leg. Next asana for beginner is Tadasana. Tadasana is a very useful asana to stretch your entire body, to lengthen your spine and to lengthen your muscles. So for Tadasana, keep your legs totally joined. Now raise your hands up. Take a deep inhale. Lift your heels up and try to push your hands towards the sky. Keep breathing. Fix your gaze and focus on one point. Try to hold this asana for at least 30 seconds. Very slowly. Keep your heels down. Keep your hands down. Tadasana, you can perform it for 30 seconds and repeat that asana for at least 4 to 5 times. You can follow this asana to start your yoga journey. But before starting your any yoga or any exercise, try to do some warm up. The link is given below of the entire warm up routine. You can follow that and then start your yoga exercises. Thanks for watching this video. Stay happy and stay healthy.